Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'll be eating only instant food or ready to eat food for 24 hours. So let's get started. So for breakfast I have kappa noodles and coffee. I know there are a lot of options for breakfast like poha, upma and all ready to eat from MTR, but I don't like either of them. So yeah. To be frank, I have actually never eaten kappa noodles. This is like my first time I'm eating them, so I am not sure if I like them or not. Not a Maggi person. I mean, I used to be a Maggi person, but then I stopped eating for a while. I look so bad, but who cares? It's very hot. First impression, it's not that tasty only. I feel normal Maggi is more tasty. This, I have no choice now. Whoever likes kappa noodles, you are a survivor, dude. I don't like it. Sorry for the background sound, but okay, I could not finish it completely. It's not my type. I didn't like it. Anyway, so after Maggi, I have coffee. I am a big tea person, and coffee, I mean, yeah, but not really. I know there is instant tea and all of it, but it's not like coffee. See, like coffee, no, this one you get it like single, but tea you don't get like single sachet or anything. You're supposed to buy the whole thing, and it doesn't work for me because you know the tea, when you put all the masalas you need, it starts boiling, the aroma, then tea powder, the process gives you the best taste. Hopefully this is better than Maggi. I've never tasted this. It's good. As I had zero expectations, and this is better, at least far better than Maggi. My god, this is a disaster. Whoever likes it, you are a survivor. This is better. At least it's not to that level that I curse it. I still miss my tea. After eating Maggi now, I'm getting worried how I'm going to survive the entire day with only instant food. Let's hope everything else is nice. I think they should start manufacturing tea also like this. It would be so nice for traveling and all. Okay, I'm done with breakfast. I will see you when I'm having lunch. Now, I'm worried and excited for lunch, so let's see. Hey guys, it's time for lunch now, and for lunch, I have this. It's veg biryani from Tata, and also you have so many instant food options which I really didn't know. You have tomato rice, you have lemon rice, you have dal makhani. There are a lot of options. Also, there is rasam, sambar, and all of it. There's bisibelabath also. I didn't want to try any of that because being a South Indian and you eat every day, you know the actual taste of it. And when there's something kind of that, I didn't want to try that because every day I eat the same thing and it is good. Homemade is good, and I just didn't want to try them. Okay. So this is veg biryani. I am not sure how good it's going to be because I've never eaten this, and it's 99 rupees. So I really hope it doesn't turn out to be like Maggi and it is something yummy because I'm starving and I'm hungry because I didn't finish full Maggi also. I'm hungry. I am bad at unboxing. So this is how it looks. So here they've given two options. So one is hot water. Do not peel open the tray. Boil water on stove in a large vessel. Once it boils, take the vessel off the stove, shake the pack well. Okay. So if you have a microwave, you can just keep it in the microwave. Well, slightly open it for 60 seconds, or if you don't, I don't have a microwave. So you are supposed to boil water and immerse this in hot water. So for lunch, it's biryani and this kapi soup, which is also from Tata and it's like 10 rupees. So it's like the coffee which we did in the morning. Just pour some hot water, leave it for a few minutes, and slurp it. So instead of doing it in a mug, I'm doing it in a bowl because it would be so weird having it in a mug. I just hope I didn't pour a lot of water. Anyways, it's supposed to stay for a while. And our biryani is also immersed in water for a while. I just hope it works and it tastes yum. Okay, our lunch is ready. Oh, also I forgot to tell that they give you fork and tissue with this biryani thing. That's okay. Why do they do this? White packing, man. So this is how it looks. Doesn't smell entirely like biryani though. As I didn't have much of expectations, probably it's manageable, but it's not worse like Maggi. But it's nice, it's manageable. I think I had to immerse it in more hot water or for more time. It's hard to mix, but I think this is very easy when you're traveling. At least during this pandemic time, when you don't want to stop in any of the near dhabas, you can have this soup. It's not that bad. Just okay. At least it's better than Maggi, but not great. I have tried MTR's Bisibade Bath. It's yum. Far better than this. I just didn't take that because I already tried that and I've not tried this. I think I made a mistake. Probably I'm just hurting my feelings because I expected too much from this challenge that I get to eat more yummy food and all. I finished my lunch and it's not. I think I just had too much of expectations and it's not happening. So I'm not like type. So I'll be eating something in the evening because I'm still not satisfied. So I will meet you in the evening when I'm having some snacks. It's evening time. I just had a very good afternoon nap. No monsoon afternoon nap is a thing. So for snacks, I have pasta. Taste for a fact, I know this tastes better than all of it because I've eaten this before. So with this, they give you oregano also. It's nice, no? So this is how it is. Looks creamy, cheesy, nice. At least for a fact, I know it tastes yum. So that's a relief for me. Finally, the morning, I'm eating something tasty. Wow, such a relief. It tastes like this, the one which they give in Domino's. Done with pasta, done with snacks. I will meet you when I am having dinner. Yes, it's time for dinner. It's pretty late right now. It's not my usual dinner time because my stomach is full almost like after pasta, and I have planned a little heavy dinner as I don't know why. I have this very bad habit. I'm not a breakfast person. I know it's very bad. You're supposed to eat very heavy breakfast. It is supposed to be heavy meal for the day. But I don't know. I just feel dinner should be a little heavy for me. So yeah. For dinner, this is this. This is dal makhani and basmati rice combo. It's like a combo. They give you rice and curry. You actually have a lot of options from MTR. I have ID's chapati. Also, you get parota and all of this. But so for dinner we have chapati and rice and dal makhani. I hope this is going to be the best because Maggi was horrible. Biryani was like manageable types, and pasta was better compared to the other meals for the day. And I hope this is the last meal for the day. I really hope it is best. So this dal makhani and rice, it's like 120 rupees, and it is same like pasta and biryani. You are supposed to put this immerse in hot water, and like after 5 minutes you can have. And ID chapati, you're supposed to just put it on tawa and remove it. So yeah, this is how it looks. It smells like this hotel smell only, but I've not tasted it. Let's see. I just kept rice for some more time. Chapati is ready, so let's have. It's yum. Finally, I feel so good eating some good yummy food from morning. I think I'm sorry, but MTR is good in this instant food. I think taste wise, and even this chapati. I think I underestimated this. I thought it's thin, so I thought it won't be that full. But one chapati is only filling my stomach. Yum! Finally, I'm so happy. I'm eating yummy. Hello. So for this rice, I just added little curds and the dal makhani. Now it's not cheating, okay? I have dal makhani and rice and little curds of my own. I can't end my day without curd rice. So done with dinner. Finally, this challenge is done. By any chance you want some advice from me for instant food, never try this veg biryani and all. Maggi, I don't know how people will eat, but I could not. But frankly speaking, MTR that most of the food, I think it's tasty. Nothing against startup products though, but it's just that I didn't like. And don't buy rice. Even this, it's very, how to say, like it's not good, because it's too. I don't know. It just feels dry. Try avoiding rice, but Bisibalabat is good. I mean, that's also rice, I know. But anything which says basmati rice, I think you should avoid because of in instant food. It's very bad for digestion, I guess. Now that I've tried, I know. But yeah, that's it. Finally done with this challenge. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. I can see you are just watching the video. Why are you not subscribing? Please do subscribe. It really means a lot. I will meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.